Chitti, and I'm so happy to be a proud student of New Oxford School. In New Oxford, every day feels exciting. We learn new things and try different new activities like robotics, dance, art, and sports, and we have so much fun along the way. Our school has big cheerful classrooms and a big playground. With ensuring that we have a safe transport, we have CCTV and GPS trackings. Our teachers here are warm, encouraging, and will always help us to reach our goals with confidence. To me, New Oxford School isn't just a school. It's a place where dreams grow wings and the place where students find their spark. If you're looking for an inspiring and happy place for your child to learn and grow, New Oxford School is the perfect choice. So, thank you for being a part of this journey and for believing in the power of joyful learning. Learning is cool, but only at New Oxford School.